Holy Ghost, Demonio Sublime, I will miss you, and without you I will die. So I want you to stay with me, but I know this will never be. Only yesterday will never part. But now you're gone, you take me away a broken heart. So when you please come back to me, you know I want you in my life. Since you live all around me since you love. So tell me dear, what will I do now that you're gone? So when you please come back to me, my dear, bring back the memories of our dreams. Though this is the price I pay for loving you, I still need you, want you, and long for you. So when you please come back to me, my dear, bring back the memories of our dreams. Only yesterday will never part.